How to fix slow OneDrive in File Explorer. So if it freezes up, stutters, or displays a slow moving green loading bar every time you try to open your OneDrive, the issue is usually caused by cloud metadata communication lag or a stalled background sync cache. So we'll walk you through the exact steps to clear the logjam and restore standard folder browsing speeds. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to open up File Explorer, click three dots right over here, and then select Options. Okay, now if you're on Windows 10, click the View tab and select Change Folder and Search Options. Look down at the General tab under the Privacy section. So in here, you just need to tap on Clear right next to File Explorer History right over here. And also uncheck the boxes for Show Recently Used Files and Frequently Used Folders. This prevents File Explorer from continually pinging the OneDrive Cloud server to update your recent history index, which completely removes the initial loading lag when opening a new window. And now one more thing, and the last thing that we will do. On your keyboard, just press the Windows plus R to open up this run window. Then you need to just find your exe file from OneDrive, which you can do simply like this. OneDrive, exe, use everything, amazing app. Right click, copy path, go back, insert without the quotation marks, space / reset. Oh, whoops, reset, and press OK. As you can see, this window should restart. That means everything worked. So this is normal. The application is completely purging its internal database cache without ever touching your physical files. That is it. Now everything should be much faster and snappier. If this helps, like and subscribe.